let's draw this figure in front of us in this session. The dimensions are in millimeters, as you can see there. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go new, there we go, metric, standards millimeters, and then go create. We're going to start with rectangles. Okay, so you're gonna go with the first one, the second one, okay, the third one, and then we're gonna go with these two, 1 and 2. All right, after that we're gonna go for dimensions. So this one here need to be 60. Okay, that's one is 60. From there to there, that's one need to be 15, 15. All right, and this as well need to be 15, 15. Great, so it's a full square, so that's one need to be 15 as well. 15. Okay, that's one they need to be 15, 15, 15. And this one as well need to be 15. Okay, there you go, 15, 15. Then from here to there, that's one they need to be 60. Great. The full drawing now, this frame need to be 120. There you go. Then we're going to go for these two holes. Okay, these two circles. Okay, so they are going through. So there is our first one, B. Okay, there is our second one. Then we need to make sure that from there to there is 30. The same apply here. Okay, is that 30? 30. Got it. Then from there to there we need to have 35. Okay, 35. Great. Between them two we need to have 45. 45. Good. And this one here need to be 20. Okay, and this, what's this say? So this need to be equal to that one, which is 20 as well. Then we're gonna say finish sketch. Okay, after that we're going to go on 3D model. We say extrude. So we're going to extrude this part here, so that's one there, by 10 millimeters. So 10 millimeters the other side of the drawing plan. So you have, this is our drawing plan, it's either this side or that way, so this way or that way. We say okay, once we have that in place, we're gonna go back there, we right click on our mouse, we say visibility on, we say extrude, and then we click this one here. This one need to go up by 25 to 5. Okay, extrude again, that and that need to go up by 15, 15, like that. Okay, now these two, that one and that one, need to go up by 35, 35. Okay, there you go. As you can see, so that goes higher from there by 10, and this one goes higher from there by 20. Okay, there you go. Then we say okay, there we go. So what we're gonna do now is, you can see the way this one is. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna come back here and say visibility off to remove all these measurement, visibility off. Then we're going to choose our material. Okay, so here we're gonna go for copper. There you go. So it was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourselves and see you all in the next video. So please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, especially please don't forget to like. So see you all in the next video. Bye.